Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Bankwest Online Banking Account. If you have already registered for Bankwest Online Banking Account, then now you can log into your account using the login credentials that you have set while registering for your account. The process to log into your online banking account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. And by the completion of the login process, you can have access to your financial transactions, account histories and details, payments, fund transfers from anywhere and anytime online. So in order to get started, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to any browser on your desktop. On the search bar, search for bankwest.com.au. Now, once you land onto an interface like this, go and tap onto the login option and choose the personal online banking from it. By tapping on it, you will land onto the login page for Bankwest Online Banking Account. Now, before you get started with the login process, there are a few things that you need to keep in your mind. You cannot log into your online banking account if you haven't registered for it at the first place. So register for Bankwest Online Banking Account first, then you will be provided with a password to log into your account with. So go to the PAN number text field and enter the PAN number. Then go to the password text field and enter the password that you have set while registering for your account. If you want this site to remember your PAN number, then go and tap on to remember the PAN number box and tap on it. But do not tap onto this box if you are using any shared or public device. And in case if you have forgotten your PAN number, then you can just go and tap on to forget your PAN in order to recover your PAN number. And similarly, if you have forgotten your password, you can just go and tap on to reset your password online in order to reset your password. And once you're done entering your login details, you can just go and tap onto the login option here. By tapping on it, you will have successfully logged into your Bankwest Online Banking account. So with all this information, I think you can log into your Bankwest Online Banking account in no time. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.